Hi traders, welcome to Moneytize. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a stock which has the potential to grow 2 to 3 times in coming 1 to 2 years. What happened recently? A stockbroker called me and he wanted me to open my stock trading account with his company. Any which ways, I didn't want to open the account, but in that sales call, he gave me an example of Amazon. He said, sir, if you would have bought Amazon at the rate of 1500 in 2020, it has risen to 3750, which was the top in the recent days. And this is around 2.5 times gains. So immediately after the call, I started thinking and I wanted to research the next Amazon. I wanted to find out the next Amazon. So what happened? I've shortlisted Uber. Now, why Uber? Uber, like Amazon, is a multinational company which has presence globally. Number one. Number two, this company has huge market presence. Number three, it has all the elements to be a multi-bagger. So do watch this video till the end in which I've explained on the charts as well as fundamentally why Uber has the potential to grow 2 to 3 times. Also, I'll be giving you a formula through which you can amplify your returns. So stay tuned till the end. Let's begin with the fundamental analysis first. To check the fundamental analysis, I'm using the website Simply Wall Street. You may use any other website of your choice. As my forte is into technical trading and technical analysis, I'm using a third party site for this purpose. The first news posted on Jan 1, it says Uber is hailing the light at the end of the tunnel. They are expecting Uber to be profitable very soon, maybe in 2022. Let's look at another news. This one, posted on Jan 19. It says Uber has great well-run business of a future mega cap. Uber's ecosystem is unparalleled and Uber One is a game changer. Uber One is basically their subscription model. The main point to note in this piece of news is most people can't picture their lives without Uber, and for a price to stock ratio of approximately 5, it is an obvious buy. So there are many companies and many fundamental analysts who are giving a positive outlook to Uber. Now let's switch on to the charts and check what lies ahead technically. To begin with, we are on the monthly time frame, and as usual, what I'll do, I'll take the Fib retracement tool and plot it from the swing low to the swing high. Usually what happens after a huge bull run or a bearish run, the major move, we face a retracement, and retracement is usually a healthy retracement is usually up to 50 to 61% of the previous move. So currently this is the golden line, which is 33.12, and this line is exactly the Fib retracement 61.8. If we check the support and resistance levels, let's switch on to weekly first. Okay. And on the weekly, let's mark the major support and resistance points levels. This area, this one, around 39, round number 40. Then this one, and finally this one. This is the major support area. So basically, if we get a pullback after the huge move towards this area, it will be a retest of the support zone. Also, the retracement would be completed, and once the price breaks above this falling trend line, it may break from this point, or it may go for one more push lower and then like this. So this is the zone which should be targeted for the next bull run. the zone between 33 to 25. So if you are looking for a long term means anything above 6 months to 1 year, then you may start buying from the current levels, the level of 33, and you may add on your positions when it takes a further dip towards 25, 26, or 27 area. It has the potential to reach back to the previous high, which is around 64, and if it goes beyond, it may be to the fifth extension 100 levels. I'm switching to daily now. I'm removing all the drawings, and if you check the recent bounce on the daily chart, it came exactly on the Fib retracement 61%. Usually what happens, the early buyers, they are stopped out because they start buying at the Fib retracement area. The market takes a push higher, and then the institutional buyers, they will push it down once more to clean the early buyers, make a new low, and then start rising above. So if you want to buy very conservatively, you can wait for one more push low after this midpoint formation, high formation, and let it break this high point. So the next move will be creating a higher high or a break of this falling trend line. Or if you are an aggressive buyer, you can start buying right now in small tranches and add on to your positions. So buying around 33 average price, if you buy another on the next one dip, then the average buying price would be around 30 and the target would be around 64, 65. So this has the potential to grow 2 to 2.5 times in the coming 1 to 2 years. Now, in the beginning of this video, I've mentioned that I'll be suggesting you a way in which you can amplify your returns. So what I'm suggesting you is, if you want to start investing in Uber, okay, so if you want to buy Uber stock purely for the purpose of trading, it means you don't want to own the stock. You just want to buy a CFD stock. You can get a leveraged platform in which I'm suggesting you XTP. XTP is a very renowned broker. The link is given below in the description, and they offer 1 to 5 leverage. With 1 to 5 leverage, let's say you're buying at a market price of 30. So you will not pay the full price 30. You will just pay 30 divided by 5 because we are getting 1 to 5 leverage. So you'll be paying only 1/5 of the price, which is $6. So you're buying one unit at the rate of 6 and you'll be cashing out around 60 to 65. So instead of 2.5 times, you'll be making around 10 times. But please note, the leverage platforms, they amplify your returns as well as they amplify your losses. So do trade responsibly and use money management. Thank you. Hope you liked today's video and you will consider buying Uber stock for your future gains. If you want to buy leverage and amplify your returns, you can consider signing up with XTB, link given below in the description. Do check my trading courses on the website www.monetize.in. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and follow it for such more videos in the future.